words and phrases have meanings and they evoke emotions. And you as a as a retailer or as an entrepreneur or as a business have to ask yourself, is this evoking the emotion that I can control, or is this evoking an emotion that is against me? I mean, basically, can I control the narrative? And that's a really important aspect. One of the things that I have worked with clients on for years, it's a real big point of friction, is how do we deal with coupon codes on the cart page? Because at one level, or at one on one hand, many of the end customers have coupon codes, and they don't want to, I mean, we want to reduce the friction for them. If someone has a coupon code, a valid coupon code, we want to create a simple mechanism for them to be able to use it. However, that's always a minority. For most businesses, 60-70% of their transactions happen without coupon codes. And so the question is, are we in our push of advertising our coupon code on the checkout page, are we somehow affecting the conversion behavior of the remaining 60%? And I absolutely think we are. In fact, 10 years ago, when I would first see coupon codes, consumers have been the sophistication of online shoppers has changed dramatically over the last 10 years. It's going to change dramatically over the next 10 years. And we need to adapt our messaging to work with what the zeitgeist would define as the meaning of certain phrases. So 10 years ago, when I went to a website and I would see a coupon code, I would say, oh crap, I don't have a coupon code. My bad, whatever, complete the transaction. Today, the way I look at it is, if I see a coupon code, and remember, this is nothing to do with price sensitivity or any of that kind. It's just the way our brains are wired. We know about Retail Me Not. There are 50 coupon code websites. So what I do is I go to the website. If it's Sears, I'll do sears.com space coupon code. I'll search for it, and I'm going to look for a coupon code. And that takes me away from the website. That has a huge negative effect on my conversion rates, because once I start looking for a coupon code, most of these coupon code websites are like black holes. I'm sucked into it. Most don't work. It's very frustrating. And then of course I might find some other competitors. It's not a good experience for the retailer. But of course, Sears is stuck between a rock and a hard place. They can't stop the coupon code, because a lot of their customers, millions of their customers, are buying based on coupon codes. So they can't turn that option off. So I want to show you what they've done on the checkout page. Right over here, which is the most important button on their whole website, they have this coupon code reminder. And so now, of course, they are begging me to go online and search for a coupon code. So I just think the problem is the phrase coupon code has been hijacked. Today, it means something totally different. And it's not, if you ask most consumers what do they do when they see a coupon code, they will say they behave in a very specific way. So what is a retailer to do? So my idea is to actually change that phrase, and you have to be clever about it. Let's just kind of get to what Zingerman's does, and I really love this. So when you kind of get to the payment information over here, it says, do you have a secret code? And obviously that's something that it's a very clever phrase, right? Because it's certainly not saying coupon code. But if I have a coupon code, then I can obviously relate to this message, because I can draw the connection that a coupon code is a form of a secret code. So that's perfect. You don't want to affect the purchase behavior of people that do have a coupon code. But on the same side, if I'm part of the 60% that doesn't have a coupon code, when I look at this, I'm like, oh shoot, it's not a normal path in my mind for looking for Zingerman's and secret code. I mean, it's not a search I've done. Now, if it was coupon code, I would absolutely look for Zingerman's and coupon code. But because they phrased it slightly differently, when I looked at this, and I'm talking about my own specific behavior, by the way, I'm not saying, this is not an academic discussion. I'm basically saying this is what happened to me. I looked at the secret code and I was like, oh, I don't know what this means. I obviously don't have it. And I just completed the order, which is exactly what they want me to do. Now, if you click on the plus symbol, they actually expand on this. They say secret code, promotion code, discount code. So it's a very clever design, right? So by default, they're minimizing this. And so they just use the word secret code. Most people who don't have the coupon code will simply kind of move on and use the credit card. But if you do have a coupon code, they do give a confirmation over here that a discount code is exactly what you're supposed to use. They even use the word promo code here. I wanted to just quickly share this this video, because I think this is a pretty clever idea. And if you have an online store and you're using the word coupon code, maybe you should think about using another phrase that gets the job done.